Now you are.
Hi, my name is Leigh, and I'm gonna show you the science experiments I made. And the title, well, I did it all about swings and how, like, the height affects how fast and slow it goes. So, the title is Swing Fast, and I'm gonna share it with you.
Thank you.
My problem was, how does the swing height of the swing affect how fast it goes? And my guess, which is called the hypothesis, was my hypothesis is that the lowest swing will go the most low, and then like the medium will go a little faster, then the highest will go the most high. So that was my guess. And the materials I used for my experiment were a swing which was me, a timer, and a program called NCES Kid Zone. It's a program that we use to build my graphs and different things. On the other side, here's my experiment, how I did it. Number 1, set swing to low level. 2, get on swing and swing 10 times. Time the 10 swings in seconds. 3, do it 2 more times and get the average. 4, raise the swing higher to the middle. 5, repeat steps 2 and 3. 6, raise the swing to the highest height. Then here's some pictures of me doing my work outside, writing in my journal, and here's the conclusion. The lowest height of the swing was the slowest, so I was right. And so that means that if I were right, then that means that the lowest was the slowest, the medium was a little faster, and the highest one was the fastest. So
How did you know all of that?
from doing all of the experiments.
Could you share with us some of your data?
Here's some of the graphs I did. Here's the one for high. Here's high 1. I got 17.0. High 2, my second time. 17.2. High 3. 17.0. And the high average, well, average for high was 17.1 because there's 17.0 and 17.2, and the middle is 17.1.
Why? What is the average?
The average is the middle number, so. Like if there's 2 and 0, the middle is 1, so that's why 17.1. Okay, let's go to the medium. Medium, my first try was 22.0. My second try of medium is 21.6. Medium 3, 21.8. And the medium average was 21.8. I think because in the middle of these 3 was that, maybe. And so that's the average. And I'm putting the ones in front so they know that's not the average of any other one. So, and now let's go to low. Low. My first time on low was 25.3, low 2, 24.9, low 3, 25.1. And my low average was 25.1. So did you see how these two are the same and those two are the same? I think it's because both of the last medium 3 and low 3 are actually both its already correct answer. If you just repeat that, it'll get the average.
Thank you. I think you have a fan over here who's very excited by your research.
Oh, thanks.
I think he's your biggest fan. I just have one more question. How come you have blue stuff all over your face?
Oh, that's just face paint.
Why do you have face paint on you?
I went to the Whaling Museum
And what did you get painted on your face?
A whale.
What kind of whale?
A blue whale. It's just the eyes came off because they were like googly eyes, and they were sparkles, but it just got ruined.
What do you know about a blue whale?
That the blue whale is the biggest whale.
How big are they?
I'm not exactly sure.
Could they...
Well, it's about like 3 school buses and 1/2 of the school bus.
Wow. That's like 3.5 buses.
I know, it is.
So, can we have a pet blue whale?
No way.
So, would you like to tell us anything else about your project, or are you finished?
I think I'm done. Just, I would like to say, do you like this sticker?
I think it's a beautiful sticker you picked. And let me ask you this.
What?
Did you enjoy doing it?
I love it.
That's great.
Oh, and I have one more thing to show you. I'll be right back. Let me get it. Here's my journal I used for it.
Could you share with us what's in your journal?
Okay. You know how I said that I wrote it in my journal?
Yes.
Before? Here it is. So, here's what I did. The question. Well, pages are sticking. Here's the question, which is question the same kind of like its problem.
Okay.
So these two should be the same. How does the height of the swing affect how fast it goes? And here's me going on the swing, the picture. Here's my hypothesis, which is a parentheses or guess. My hypothesis is that the lowest swing will go the most slow, and as I said, then the medium will go a little faster, the highest will go the most fast. And the materials I used are the same as there. Were a swinger, which is me, and a timer. But I just forgot to add the last step, which is the program and CES Kids Zone, because at the time I did not have that, so I just printed it. So I can write it sometime soon. Then, my experiment, I only did 3. I didn't get to do 4, 5, 6, because I just didn't.
I think you repeated those steps anyway.
Yeah. And then, here are just more pictures of me going on.
Very nice.
Oh, here's just that I messed up on.
What happened on your data tables that you messed up?
I went like down that way.
Instead of what?
Instead of like when low 1, low 2, and low 3 get the average.
And what happened on this page?
I did the same thing.
You made the same mistake twice?
Yeah.
You silly goose.
And here's the right answer. And here was just pictures I would print to make the pretty pictures on my board.
Okay. Well,
I think that's all. Nice for sharing. And just by the way, did you notice that?
excellent.
I actually had another sound experiment. I just kind of ripped it off a little because I didn't have another one right now, and I had to finish it for tomorrow.
Where is your old science fair experiment?
Right there.
Could you show it to us quickly?
Okay. Ta-da!
Wow, what was that one?
The fastest way to ski.
And real quickly, what's the fastest way to ski?
A tuck.
What's a tuck?
It's when you go like this and ski.
Oh, and that's faster than doing what?
Going straight and bent.
Thanks a lot.